1.
Download or make something.
2.
In Sims 4 Studio, create 3D mesh. Object. Debug. Under pan, pick one. Export default mesh. In Blender, add your thing. Make it fit. Select original. Select yours. Transfer weights. Delete original verts. Select yours. Select OG. Join them. Save as default. Delete shadow verts. Save as food on. Delete food verts. Save as food off. Reopen default. Join all meshes together. Save as shadow. Re-import all LODs, including shadow. Warehouse. Extract tuning. Baking pan. This one will show food on and off. This one will always make it look like the food is on. Pick one and add. Object tuning. Update ID. Copy ID. Object definition. In tuning. Paste. Instance decimal. Copy.
3.
Open your multi-plate food. To know how to make one,
Find that in the description.
recipe tuning large. Baking phase. Copy tuning ID. Extract it. Recipe tuning phase. Update ID. On definition line, paste instance decimal. Recipe tuning large. In baking phase, replace tuning with your baking phase tuning. Done! I believe we're cooking up a storm. Could we be cooking mama? Huge thanks to XuanZi and Lenaid who helped with this one. This was definitely a few years in the making. Please support them by checking them out. Links below.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.